Picasso, thank you for coming to today's interview. Would you say that you're a happy bird? Yeah. Are you in love with Jersey? Are you? You can be honest. Yeah. Jersey's kind of crazy right now playing with her toy, huh? Picasso, do you think that there should only be love in the world? That's very nice, Picasso. You're definitely not a boy of many words, but you do agree with some profound things. Jersey, would you agree with Picasso's profoundness? Your wife's a little bit crazy, right? Well, you sure do agree with that. Picasso, is Jersey ruining your interview? Yeah, I know. Did you guys hear Cody in the back laughing and saying, ooh, ooh?